Okay, next up we're going to write the standard form of a circle with center 2, -1 and radius square root of 5. And then we're going to graph a circle. We're going to find the radius and center and graph the circle. So in example 3, all we're asked to do is to take the standard form, which is r squared equals x minus h squared plus y minus k squared, and we're going to plug in, this would be h comma k, we're going to plug in 2 for h and -1 for k, and then we're going to plug in square root of 5 for r. So we get square root of 5 squared equals x minus 2 squared plus y minus -1 squared. And so that becomes 5 is equal to x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared. Okay, so that's the standard form of the equation of the circle with the center 2, -1 and radius square root of 5. Now, in this next example, we're supposed to find the center and the radius. For the circle given by x plus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 4. So the center is h comma k. In this case, you have x minus h is -2, so h is -2, and k is +3. So we have -2, 3 is our center, and then the radius is going to be the square root of 4, because r squared is supposed to equal 4. So because r squared equals 4, r must be equal to the square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, so now we have our radius is 2, our center is -2, 3, and so now we can draw this circle. So here's the point -2, 3, and we're looking for the circle that is all points that are distance 2 away from that. So that'll go through these points right here. And so I'll do my best to draw a circle. It's going to look something like that. Okay? And now the last thing that we're asked to do is to state the domain and range of this circle. And so the domain is going to be, well, the easy way to do the domain, actually, is to start with the center, which is -2, so x equals -2, and now we can just add and subtract r, so plus or minus 2. That will give me my domain. So, and that's because all x values can range from plus or minus 2 from the point -2. So here's the center, -2, 3, and my x values will go from -2 plus 2, which is 0, all the way back to -2 minus 2, which is -4. So my domain is -4 to 0, as you can see I'm drawing green. And then my range, you do the same trick. You start with y equals 3, and you just add and subtract the radius. You get you get +5 and +1. So these are all my y values, or possible outputs here. So this is 1, that's 5. So you can see here my range is 1 to 5. Okay, and that is all there is to it.